Hello everyone, I'm very happy to see all of you guys again here. In previous video we have seen, comment in Python, identifier in Python, reserved keywords in Python, variables and data types in Python and so on. If you didn't watch previous video yet, please watch previous video first for more understanding. You can find video link from my button or I will give the link in description. In today's video we will continue our Python series to see operators in Python, loops in Python etc. If you are ready, let's start today's topic. Before starting this video I would like to request you, if you're new on this channel, please subscribe, like and share with your friends. It'll not cost you anything. Operators in Python. Python operators are the constructs which can manipulate the value of operands. These are symbols used for the purpose of logical, arithmetic and various other operations. Consider the expression 10 plus 20 is equal to 10. Here, 10 and 20 are called operands and plus is called operator. In this tutorial, we will study different types of Python operators. Types of operators in Python. Python supports different operators. Here is the list of operators which Python supports. 1. Arithmetic operators. 2. Comparison, relational, operators. 3. Assignment operators. 4. Logical operators. 5. Bitwise operators. 6. Membership operators. 7. Identity operators. Arithmetic operators in Python. Arithmetic operators in Python are used to perform mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponents and floor division on numerical values. Here is the example of all operators. Comparison operators in Python. Python comparison operators compare the values on either sides of them and decide the relation among them. They are also called relational operators. These operators are equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to and less than or equal to. Following is an example which shows all the comparison operations. Assignment operators in Python. Python assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. These operators include simple assignment operator, addition assign, subtraction assign, multiplication assign, division and assign operators etc. Following is an example which shows all the assignment operations. Bitwise operators in Python. Bitwise operator works on bits and performs bit-by-bit operation. Assume if A equals 60, and B equals 13, now in the binary format their values will be 0011 1100 and 0000 1101 respectively. Following table lists out the bitwise operators supported by Python language. Logical operators in Python. There are following logical operators supported by Python language. These are the list of logical operators in Python. Membership operators in Python. Python's membership operators test for membership in a sequence, such as strings, lists, or tuples. There are two membership operators as explained below. Identity operators in Python. Identity operators compare the memory locations of two objects. There are two identity operators explained below. Now let's discuss on loop and types of loop in Python. In general, statements are executed sequentially. The first statement in a function is executed first, followed by the second, and so on. There may be a situation when you need to execute a block of code several number of times. Programming languages provide various control structures that allow for more complicated execution paths. A loop statement allows us to execute a statement or group of statements multiple times. The following diagram illustrates a loop statement. Python programming language provides following types of loops to handle looping requirements. While loop. Repeats a statement or group of statements while a given condition is true. It tests the condition before executing the loop body. Here is the example of while loop in Python. For loop. Executes a sequence of statements multiple times and abbreviates the code that manages the loop variable. Here is the example of for loop in Python. Nested loops. You can use one or more loop inside any another while, for or do while loop. Here is the example of nested loop in Python. Now let's discuss on loop control statements. Loop control statements change execution from its normal sequence. When execution leaves a scope, all automatic objects that were created in that scope are destroyed. Python supports the following control statements. 1. Break statement. 2. Continue statement. 3. Pass statement. Let's discuss one by one. Break statement. Terminates the loop statement and transfers execution to the statement immediately following the loop. Continue statement. Causes the loop to skip the remainder of its body and immediately retest its condition prior to reiterating. Pass statement. The pass statement in Python is used when a statement is required syntactically but you do not want any command or code to execute. That's it for this video. We have seen operators and loops in this video. We will discuss about loop in more details in upcoming videos. If you like this video, please share with your friends. And if you are new on this channel, please subscribe, like and share this video. Thanks for watching.